planned for, of course, food and clothes. Now this part is the transportation. Object students must understand simple and practical topics and vocabulary and can use them in daily life. This part I will introduce the transportation. Okay, object students, they are the best level and 20 students. And they already know 500 to 1600 words. And time is 40 minutes. The teaching material, textbook, worksheet, reading, poster, and chart. Of course, the including here, I think I should help to including the computer and the projector. Okay. Okay, here is the procedures. The first part. This part is warm up. Warm up. A teacher asks students how do they come to the school and go home, and let student answer the question first. If nobody want to answer the questions, a teacher can ask some students to answer the questions. Perhaps they will use their native language. That's okay. Because the asking question can attract the student attention and inspire their motivation. And the next 10 minutes, teacher will perhaps show the flashcards of the transportation, about the transportation, and review the words and ask the students what it is, and did you see it, and read this the vocabulary for students. For reading, ask students to repeat after teacher. Okay, here, vocabulary. Now, I think this part use the PPT teaching students. I think that will be better because we must have some interactive with students. For example, teacher can ask, "What is this? Do you see it before?" Okay, and we can wait for students to ask for students to give teacher response and teachers to give the answer. Bicycle. And besides, I think because this is a reading course, so I think the teacher must provide some example sentence from the key vocabulary. Okay, so here I also provide key sentences for students, and here. And you can ask the students every, because I think the example sentence is the best level for the reading ability. Okay, this is the vocabulary too. We can first fast. Okay, boat, and also we can of course the teacher can explain this the example sentence for students. Let them know what it means. And here's the activity. Activity I provided 20 minutes. A teacher makes the students the 2 person, one group to do the textbook paired work. Of course, this part is according to the principal syllabus. And the second part is the use the transportation that students learn to achieve goals according to a direction from books. Read the article and discuss it with each other. And here, the map is from textbook. Let's Talk 1. Here you can you can give students some real life. Okay, real life. For example, someone asks you, "Excuse me, how do I get to somewhere?" Okay, for example, this sentence: "Excuse me, how do I get to the Bonjour movie theater?" Here, this lady is here, bus station, and she want to come to the budget movie theater. And now teacher wants the 2 person, one group, and discuss the question with your partner and provide the direction. And here, of course, the answer this question is the direction. Of course, the teacher can provide the direction first to students. Let student read the direction first. For example, in teacher's opinion, teacher can say, I like this direction to the Bonjour movie theater. First, go along the Park Street to the video then, and turn right, go down Second Avenue to Green Street, and turn left, go along Green Street. And I see my goal. And now you can ask students, and your answer is meet my answer, and we can go. Do you see it here? Go. And come here next. Okay, we achieved the goals. Now, thanks. And here now this reading is in fact I forget to type the web page address here because the reading is from the direct web page. I copied it from that web page, but I deleted some words and changed some words. And of course, the teacher, if you think your student's level is good enough, you can show the original article for students. This reading you can let students repeat after teacher. Let's repeat, and you can use the top-down strategies to teach students what's the whole article, what does it mean. And then if we finish this reading, and then we have the pop quiz, and this part is the pop quiz. But I will give the students paper. So this question is on the paper, and I will show the reading again, and the student can read this reading and answer those questions. Okay, this question is very easy, just true or false. I just want to know students to really understand the reading or not. Okay, next is the reading assessment worksheet. Okay, this is the homework. It's very easy because I provide the example sentence from the 刚才的 example sentence. So I just used this sentence to let students can know the context of the sentence. 让他们了解上下文 to judge the vocabulary. Okay. And this part, the second part, the reading assessment. Okay. Students can discuss these questions from the Grand Hotel to the supermarket, from the department store to city park, and the third question from the flower shop to video shop. And you can answer this question, use some direction words. Okay, that's my presentation. Thank you.